Assalamu alaikum. A very good afternoon to everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I start in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, and peace be upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is Faisal Nadeem from AMP, Association of Muslim Professionals. A very warm welcome to everyone here. Today we are here for AMP Free Employability Training Program. Topic for today is interview technique preparations. I would now do a short presentation about AMP. AMP is a non-for-profit organization registered under Section 8 of the Companies Act 2013, Government of India, for providing voluntary social service to meet the needs of underprivileged individuals, that is, upliftment of underserved and needy through education and vocational training, employment support, medical relief, economic empowerment, student mentorship, and guidance. The above services are provided to needy individuals irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. Employment assistance cell. Keeping in mind of AMP core objective of supporting the underprivileged, promoting education and creating economic empowerment, AMP had launched a special project named Employment Assistance Cell, and today it is one of the core projects of AMP. Major EAC activities. Our major EAC activities include job fairs, job drives, employability training programs in colleges, skill training company tie-ups, candidate mobilization, skill development courses. Job fairs. Job Fair is one of the flagship project AMP, and we have successfully organized 43 plus job fairs till date. Every job fair has a participation of minimum 50 companies and plus 2,000 candidates. AMP has organized job fairs in the past in collaboration with Thane Police, Aurangabad Police, West Bengal Minority Finance Development Corporation, Andhra Pradesh State Minorities Finance Corporation, and other reputed NGOs. Job drive. Job drives are similar to job fairs but organized on a much smaller scale compared to job fairs. In a job drive, we typically invite only up to 2 to 3 corporates who have specific openings and advertise their openings profiles in order to attract suitable candidates. Employability training program. ETP is developed by the AMP to assist job seekers find the right job at the right place at the right time. We team up with colleges in different cities and conduct ETP programs online as well as offline. Our training programs will cover the following: personality development, effective CV writing, interview techniques, job searching strategies. These are some of the topics which we used to cover. We have more topics. It aims to create awareness and groom young graduates who are aspiring to be professionals. Skill training company tie-ups. AMP has partnered with reputed skill training companies like Tata Trust, Whirlpool, Tech Mahindra Foundation, etc. We have also arranged skill training melas in Mumbai by inviting around 20 skill training companies to hire and train unskilled candidates who could not pursue their higher studies after 10th and 12th standard. Candidate mobilization. AMP has mobilized candidates for various skill development courses like home appliances technician, AC technician, mobile repairing technician, and solar engineering under Skill India mission centers all across India. Our achievements: employment assistant, 43 plus job fairs, out of which 9 online job fairs, 275 plus job drives, out of which 20 online job drives, 220 plus employability training programs, out of which 37 online ETPs, 100 plus mock interviews in colleges, 25,000 plus candidates placed in jobs. Career fairs. Organized 6 career fairs, benefited around 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 50,000 plus students. Our new initiative, empowersjobs.com, connecting right talent with right opportunities. Empowersjobs.com was launched on 6 December 2020. It is a unique job portal with comprehensive offerings introduced by MP India Foundation for job seekers, especially through those hit by COVID pandemic. Thank you, everyone. Now I would like to invite Mr. Adil Ansari sir to please give a brief description about the college.
Okay. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. First of all, Assalamu alaikum to all students right now. I'm very thankful. Before I start, I introduce myself and my college self. I'm very thankful to team All India Association of Muslim Professionals because by the side of these activities and by the side of these fundamentals, we have to boost the placement activities. We have to boost the kind of fundamentals regarding to be go for the jobs and all to develop the skills. Very thankful to team AMP. So first of all, myself Adil Ansari. I am a training placement officer from Mantai College of Engineering, Maulana Mukhtar Ahmad Nadu Technical Campus. First of all, Alhamdulillah, Maulana Mukhtar Ahmad Nadu Technical Campus established in 2012. Only in 8 years, we reached a number of milestones in terms of placement, in terms of other activities. We are having 5 branches right now. Last year we have only the 4 branches. From currently we have to add one more branch, that is computer engineering. That's first mechanical, civil, electrical, electronic and telecommunication, and the last computer engineering. And one more thing is now added in MMNTC, Mentec College of Engineering, that is LYBP, Polytechnic. We are having the Polytechnic College also, where students are done their diploma in mechanical, diploma in civils. Here we are having not only this technical campus, but we are having a FAC Academy, where students are done their education from junior KG to up to the 10th standard. Then after Sharia Law College. Uh, Thereafter, we are also having an Al Mukhtar Academy, where students are get the knowledge about the fundamentals regarding the nursery schools, just like a US, and all the fundamentals, just like the people are sitting inside into it. Some of the things to be an activity, just like some motivations. All those things are carried forward in Mentec and Jamia Muhammadiyah Education Society. Another college, that is a medical college, it's Al Sayar Medical College, is mentioned in Mansura campus. So little bit this campus is nothing but also having the अगर हम उसे उर्दू में कहें, अगर हम उसे आम लैंग्वेजेस में कहें, जिसे हम बोलते हैं असरी तालीम के साथ साथ दीनी तालीम, ठीक है. तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, by the side of the management, by the side of all teams of Mentec, all team of Afaq Academy, all team of Mansura Tibbia College, as well as Sharia Law College, all those things are getting a good opportunity for the students to be enhance their self and activity and to be make a good career in our campus. So Alhamdulillah, we are also reaching a milestone. And one thing I need to add, Siemens Center of Excellence. Right now, we are also having a Siemens Center of Excellence from Germany. These small industry panels developed in our college, where student hands-on practice during the sessions, as well as they are having the get certificate from Germany, and they easily work outside the country by the side of this certification course. So हमारे यहाँ पर बच्चों को प्रैक्टिकल चीजों के साथ साथ और बहुत सारी चीजें भी मतलब हम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो एमपी से जब से हमारा कनेक्शन हुआ है, बीच में बहुत सारी, मैं माजरत चाहता हूँ टीम एमपी से. एक्चुअली हम ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन भी हमारा बहुत कम हुआ मसरूफियत की वजह से, और लेकिन अभी हम इस रिलेशन को और स्ट्रॉन्ग और अच्छा बिल्डअप कर रहे हैं. And very thankful to Faisal Nadeem sir and their team, our whole MP team, to be provide this platform for our students to be represent their self in case of future. Thank you, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful description about the college and the achievements. Now, I would like to introduce the speaker for today, Ms. Nagma Parveen. She has a 20 years experience of in key skills like communication skills, soft skills, behavior life skills, sales training, coaching, and counseling. She has also a trainer and director at Complete Personality Development Center since November 2009. Now I would like to hand over the session to Ms. Nagma Parveen to take over the session. And before that, I would like to say all the students that all you are open for the question and answer session. At the end, we will be having a question and answer session. And in between, if you want to ask any question, you can write your question in the chat box. So, thank you, ma'am. And now it's all over to ma'am.
Thanks, Faisal. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Hope you all are doing well, and I'm really missing classroom session. Had it been a classroom session, we would have done lots of activities. We would have started the session with lots of activities. However, whatever the facilities we have available right now, we are trying to utilize maximum of it. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Adil Saab, and thank you so much participants for joining in. And today we are going to discuss a very important topic. Okay, before we start, I would like to ask a question. Would it be comfortable with you to speak in English, or you want me to speak in both the languages, like kind of English plus Hindi?
Adil sir, can you say that should we continue?
Yes, ma'am. We also tally on both the languages. There is no any issue. Either you can also follow in English and Urdu, students are too much enthusiastic for all those things. As
Okay,
per you're
sure.
comfortable, you can also proceed.
Sure. Thank you so much.
You can use mixed language. You can use mixed language.
So today we are talking about interview preparation techniques. So when I was preparing this topic for you, I was like, होता है ना थोड़ा flashback में चले जाते हैं. When I was just a fresher and I was preparing for interviews, I was so nervous. I was not confident enough to face the interviewer. So today when I look at the students, when I look at the job seekers, I feel it's a very normal thing. You are nervous. It's a very normal thing. There are so many things. But as a fresher, it's very difficult for you to face an interview. But it's not, sometimes we think I cannot crack an interview at all. It's not like that. You can always do some preparation and go for it. So keeping all these things in mind, I have prepared this presentation so that it will help you in cracking your interview, just passing out from your college. So basically, when we prepare for interview, is my screen audible?
And it is visible.
I'm sorry, is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Your screen is visible.
Oh.
Please proceed.
Thank you. So these are the questions. Do you have interview phobia? Do you have fear of facing interview? Do you get nervous during interview? Do you get stuck while answering HR's question? And are you not prepared on your introduction? So there are so many questions in mind. And as I'm talking about you people are fresher. So your question might be, I'm a fresher. I don't know anything about interview. So there are so many questions in mind. But my question is, our concern is, तो क्या हम इंटरव्यू नहीं निकाल पाएंगे? So क्या हम इंटरव्यू फेस नहीं कर सकेंगे? Will I be not able to get a good job? और rather जो मेरी क्वालिफिकेशन है उसके हिसाब से मुझे जॉब मिल पाएगी या नहीं मिल पाएगी? So the answer is, trust me, these fears are normal. It's a very normal thing. But if I talk about my journey, when I started my journey, see, before started working in corporates, I have worked with schools. So it was a very normal thing. I worked there I went there and I just faced a normal interview. They asked me a few questions and I got selected and I started working as an assistant teacher. It was a very normal thing for me at that time. But when actually I started exploring this world, I'm from a small town. I'm from Patna. So when actually in the year 2004, yes, in the year 2004, I shifted to Delhi. So there actually, I saw the real world. I actually saw the corporate world there. कि अभी इंटरव्यू कैसे होता है? So it was like, इंटरव्यू का नाम सुनते ही जैसे होता है ना, एक इंटरव्यू फोबिया हो जाता है. अच्छा इंटरव्यू, और इंटरव्यू जाने से पहले तो क्या होता है, हमारा हार्ट बीट काफी तेज हो जाता है. तो these are very normal things. There is nothing new in that. But एक बार जब आप इंटरव्यू फेस करने लगते हो तो बहुत सारी चीजें खुद ब खुद सामने आ जाती है. So यही सारे जो मेरे एक्सपीरियंस थे, इनको मैंने I collected them. Okay, what are the elements of interview? So I have attended many sessions. I have interviewed many people, and मतलब इससे पहले मेरे दिमाग में कभी नहीं आया था कि इंटरव्यू के ये एलिमेंट्स हो सकते हैं. So when I was preparing this PPT for you people, I thought, no, you are fresher and you need to know from basic. You need to know everything, all the if and buts. So see, all the if and buts बताऊंगी तो ये पूरा interview preparation, it is going to take 5 days because ये पूरा 5 days का module है. But whatever I could gather for this, I think 1.5 hour session, Adil bhai?
Yes.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
So 1.5 hour session. Yes. So whatever could I could have gathered for this 1.5 hour session I'm going to tell you. ठीक है?
Yes.
तो ये 1.5 घंटे में जितना मैक्सिमम मैं आपको ज्ञान दे सकती हूँ वो मैं अपनी तरफ से आपको बता देती हूँ. तो आप ये समझ लो ये मेरा 20 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. ठीक है? एंड इफ यू विल आस्क मी मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस कब आया इंटरव्यू फेस करने का, सो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 14-15 years काम कर लेने के बाद. अदरवाइज ना मतलब it was my interview with Airtel, Bharti Airtel Limited, Private Limited, when I felt no, today I am the queen. है ना? So अभी तक क्या होता था हमेशा मेरे साथ कि whenever I faced interview, my heartbeat was like my heart will go out. It was like that. But slowly and gradually with the time you get experienced. And वो जो fear होता है ना वो धीरे धीरे खत्म हो जाता है. बट मुझे लगता है आजकल के बच्चे तो ज्यादा स्मार्ट है. यू पीपल आर फार स्मार्टर देन अस. एंड आपको तो प्रिपरेशन, आपकी प्रिपरेशन बड़ी अच्छी होती है बिकॉज इवन ड्यूरिंग दिस सेशंस, ड्यूरिंग योर एकेडमिक्स यू गेट टू नो सो मेनी थिंग्स. सो अभी मैं आपसे जो डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ, दिस इज माय whole lot of experience, my 15-20 years experience which I have gathered. So let's discuss about it. So these are the 7 elements which we need to prepare upon. So we need मतलब ये मैं बोलती हूँ ना, ये 7 चीजें पक्की कर लो and trust me, you are going to crack that interview, any interview. So जो चाहिए आपको मिल जाएगा. So yes, what are these 7 elements? Appearance, confidence, introduction, knowledge, communication, manners, and negotiation. So when I look back and when I look at myself, I have actually developed these skills in myself. And that is why.
Listen, sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
Please, you can also present your skill in the presentation mode. Is it possible?
Sure.
Means easily clear to all students. Yes.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sure. So these are the 7 elements of any interview. If you have preparation on it, if you are prepared, if you just prepare on these 7 points, you can crack actually any interview. So let's first talk about the appearance. Okay, when I talk about appearance, I talk about full grooming, but grooming session is again a whole day session. So we can if we will have enough time, we can conduct one more session on it, which will be kind of a complete grooming session. So as if now I'm just talking about appearance. एक interview के लिए एक professional का क्या appearance होना चाहिए? Okay. So we always say first impressions are important. आपने सुना होगा ना, एक बहुत ही famous proverb है, first impression is the last impression. I do not say last impression, but I always say first impressions are important. So now what are your first impressions? Whenever you go for an interview, you prepare yourself. So कैसे preparation हम करेंगे? Because जो आपका first appearance होगा, वही appearance एक impression बना देगा इंटरव्यूअर के ऊपर. और आप एक्चुअली जब हम इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं, मतलब इवन आई हैव सीन इन आवर कैंपस, जब बच्चे इंटरव्यू के लिए आते हैं तो इट इज लाइक अच्छा इसको तो यहाँ बिठा दो, इसको यहाँ बिठा दो, थोड़ी देर वेट करा दो. कभी कभी इंटरव्यूअर क्विकली आ जाता है, नहीं इसको वेट नहीं कराते, इसका इंटरव्यू जल्दी से करके जाते हैं. सो दे लुक एट एवरीथिंग. सो दीज आर वेरी बेसिक थिंग. It is not something which I am talking about like कुछ अलग से किसी और तरह की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. These are very basic things. So yeah, your hair should be neat, clean and well trimmed. Be sure your teeth are brushed and your breath is fresh. These are just basics. Nails should be trimmed and clean. If you choose to wear nail polish, be sure it is clear or a subdued color. So you do not need to look flashy. Do not wear long and elaborately painted nails. Go easy on makeup. It should be fresh and subtle. No chewing gum, eating candy or smoking cigarettes. Use deodorants, not just perfume. No visible body piercing or tattoos. Wear little or no jewelry. So these are your first impressions. Just ensure कि ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, we maintain all these things. Here we talk more about it. So second is your attire, your dress. So we dress for the occasion, है ना? हम जैसे ड्रेस पार्टी में पहन के जाते हैं वैसे इंटरव्यू में नहीं जा सकते, और वाइस वर्सा, जैसे ड्रेस इंटरव्यू में पहन के जाते हैं वैसे हम पार्टी में पहन के नहीं जा सकते. So your dress can also be an important factor in an employer's hiring decision. जैसे आप दिखते हो, बोलते हैं ना, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So जैसे दिखेंगे वैसे बिकेंगे. So you are actually there to sell your skills. So your clothes should be well ironed, free of any rips and stains. So जब भी हम इंटरव्यू के लिए जाएंगे, and these are again I'm telling you, these are basics. कोई बड़ी बात हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, but these are, I'm just telling you to emphasize on it. कि वो बार बार बोलते हैं ना, बार बार रिमाइंड करते हैं. घर में होते हैं ना माए, बार बार जब बच्चे बाहर जाते रहते हैं तो बोलते हैं दुआ पढ़ लो, है ना. उसको पता है दुआ पढ़ के बाहर निकलना है, बट वी इंश्योर नहीं ये करके निकलो तो चीजें सही रहेंगी. Your shoes should be conservative, clean and polished. Dress to protect the image you want the employer to receive. है ना. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं से कुछ चेन हैंग कर रहा है या फिर कुछ और ऐसा फ्लैशी सा है. So that does not make a good impression on the employer. Wear closed-toed shoes. Flip-flops are not acceptable on a job interview. हाँ, अभी इसमें एक चीज मैं बोलूंगी, अभी बहुत सारा वर्क कल्चर जो है धीरे धीरे चेंज हो रहा है. So it also depends upon the organization you are going interviewed for. क्योंकि IT में थोड़ा सा है ना, वहाँ पे थोड़ी सी flexibility है. जैसे अगर आप formal नहीं भी पहनते हो and you go in a jeans, a pair of jeans, that will work there. So थोड़ा सा flexibility है, but what I'm just asking you, क्यों हम मतलब अपनी तरफ से हम क्यों कोई गलती करें? So just ensure that you, when you go for interview, you are in a proper attire. So, Adil, bhai, I wanted to discuss all these things, but I don't know I would be able to cover everything about grooming because we would not have enough time to discuss other points.
No, ma'am, actually, you have to make an oral views. Inshallah, we have to arrange one separate 5-day session for our students by your side. If it is feasible for me, hopefully I'll try to conduct one next session for the 5 days and all. So we'll cover all those things. You can also
Then we can give a brief description,
overview.
Not an issue. You can give a overview.
Yes.
Sure. So because grooming is a separate thing, I would say it's a vast subject. When we talk about grooming, we talk about everything. We talk about brushing your tooth to wearing dress to maintaining hygiene and everything. So that takes time, but still I'm just trying to cover all these things so that at least they will have basic understanding. So now here what we are talking about, there are some key points for females and some key points for males. So you need to maintain these hygienes. Always wear clean and well-pressed clothes. Avoid loud colors, print in t-shirts, avoid flashy ties. Do remember to wear a mild deodorant. Make sure your shoes are free from stains and dust. Opt for a clean-shaven look or a well-trimmed beard look. Apply a limited amount of aftershave. Maintain neatly trimmed nails. Carry resume and important documents in a briefcase or laptop bag. So this is for male. And there are some rules for females as well. Make sure your outfit is neat, clean, and well pressed. Avoid wearing sleeveless shirts and suits as it imparts casual look. Wear a mild deodorant or perfume. Make sure your hair is fresh and clean. Avoid hair accessories that are flashy or shiny. Keep your nails clean and well-shaped and avoid very long nails. Avoid Avoid gaudy bracelets and dangling earrings. It may spoil the formal looks. So you can actually wear a small earrings or a small, what do you call it, tops kind of things. Avoid wearing stilettos for an interview. Reserve them for parties. So you can actually wear either formal shoes or pumps. Avoid carrying huge handbags. Opt for a subtle colored and medium-sized handbag. You can even go for a briefcase or a small laptop bag instead. That gives you a very formal look. So here we talk about the another part of it, the another element of the interview. Then another element is confidence. Now the question is, how do I look confident? So there are so many things, there are many points which you need to take care of. But the basic things we are just talking about the basic things. You wear a genuine smile. So है ना, वो लगेगा अरे इतना तेजी से हमारा हार्ट बीट चल रहा है, सो स्माइल कैसे मेंटेन होगा. सो व्हाट आई सजेस्ट यू, ऑलवेज प्रैक्टिस इट. एकदम से इंटरव्यू के दिन में सुबह सुबह सो के उठना है और अपना रिज्यूमे लेना है और पहुंच जाना, ऐसा नहीं करना है. ठीक है. सो सम प्रिपरेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी है. कैसे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं? मिरर के सामने खड़े होकर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. घर में कोई भाई बहन है उसके साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस विथ योर पेरेंट्स, यू कैन प्रैक्टिस विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. सो वहां पे जाके इंटरव्यू रूम में डायरेक्ट जाके, ऐसा नहीं है गलतियां करना अलाउड है. यू कैन स्टिल मेक मिस्टेक्स, बट इट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड. You don't do any preparation at all. So before you go for interview, you get prepared on these 7 elements. So you wear a genuine smile. Genuine smile means it has to be genuine. Okay. So how does it work? How does it work for you? It hides your nervousness. है ना, हमारे सामने कोई स्माइल करता हुआ बंदा आ जाता है, अब अंदर उसके क्या चल रहा है हमें पता नहीं चलता है. So it actually hides your nervousness. Make sure you have a right body language. Right body language, when you are sitting in an interview room, maintain a body posture that is like 90 degrees. So it is not always like 90 degree आप interview room में ऐसे जाके बैठ गए. But initially when you sit there, you also lean, you use your hands, you shake. You can also use your head movements. But you communicate through your entire body, and the way you communicate, the way you look confident. So be prepared with your interview questions. I'll also share some interview questions with you. Not exactly right now. I'll share a few questions with you, which will help you in getting prepared for your interview. But that is again. And you can Adil bhai, they can come back to me as well if they have any question, if they want me to help them. So
yeah, sure ma'am, I'll take the question, then after I'll push it to you.
Sure. So if there are more than one interviewer, look at all of them while answering them. ऐसा होता है ना, हम क्या होता है कि जो हम लोगों को देखते हैं जिस तरह से, तो उसमें हमारी थोड़ी सी बायसनेस होती है. बहुत सारे लोग, सिंस आई एम अ साइकोलॉजी स्टूडेंट, तो मुझे पता है कि ये किस तरह की साइकोलॉजी होती है. कुछ लोगों को अपने दाएं तरफ देखने की आदत होती है, कुछ लोगों को अपनी बाएं तरफ देखने की आदत होती है. ठीक है. और बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, when they address a crowd, they can look around. So हमें अपने आप को थोड़ा सा इस तरह से डेवलप करना है, so that we can look around. We can look at, if there are more than one interviewer, we can look at all of them, and we can actually, मतलब why I'm asking you to look at all of them, because होता है ना, आपको सिर्फ इंटरव्यूअर क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रहा है, इंटरव्यूअर भी, आपको लगता है कि सिर्फ आप नर्वस हो, इंटरव्यूअर भी नर्वस है, बिकॉज उसको भी कैंडिडेट चाहिए, उसको भी इतने आसानी से अच्छे कैंडिडेट्स नहीं मिलते. तो इंटरव्यूअर को भी कैंडिडेट्स चाहिए, तो वो भी नर्वस है. और अगर आप अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हो उस वक्त इंटरव्यूअर को, यानी कि अगर आप उसकी तरफ नहीं देख रहे हो, तो ही इज एक्चुअली प्रिपेयरिंग some good questions for you, so you can actually keep them engaged. And don't go very fast. होता क्या है, कई बार मैंने बच्चों को देखा है कि when they introduce themselves, they go very fast. My name is Nagma Parveen, and I have a master's degree in psychology. I have done my master's degree from this university, and I have 5 members in my family, my brother, my sister. Stop. खत्म, words खत्म हो गए. So अगर एक्चुअली होता क्या है, जैसे ही आप स्पीड में बोलना शुरू करते हो, आपके वर्ड्स खत्म हो जाते हैं, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली यू लुक नर्वस, यू डोंट लुक कॉन्फिडेंट. सो आपको अपना रेट ऑफ स्पीच कंट्रोल रखना है. हाउ डू यू कंट्रोल योर रेट ऑफ स्पीच? सो ऑब्वियसली प्रैक्टिस, बट इंस्टेंटली अगर आपको ऐसा करना है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, व्हाइल स्पीकिंग आप थोड़ा सा हाथ भी अपना हाथ टैप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो टैपिंग योर हैंड विल रिमाइंड यू दैट यू आर गोइंग फास्ट. यू डोंट हैव टू गो फास्ट, यू हैव टू गो लिटिल स्लो. ठीक है, बहुत स्लो भी नहीं करना है. कई बार हम सोचते हैं कि अच्छा 4 लाइन बोल के ही निकल जाएंगे, बट इंटरव्यूअर्स आर वेरी स्मार्ट. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू कंट्रोल योर रेट ऑफ स्पीच. जैसे ही आप रेट ऑफ स्पीच अपना कंट्रोल करते हो, आपका माइंड वर्क करने लगता है और माइंड में अलग अलग थॉट्स आने लगते हैं. So those thoughts will help you a lot. जैसे मतलब थॉट्स आएंगे, फिर अभी हो सकता है कि मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा था क्या बोलना है, तो फिर मैंने कुछ और नई चीज निकल के आई. हो सकता है मैं अपना हार्ड स्किल्स ही बताना भूल गया था कि मैंने क्या किया है, कॉलेज में क्या किया है, मेरे अंदर खासियत क्या है. So then the moment you start controlling your rate of speech, you start getting lots of thoughts in your mind, and you will be answer interviewer questions in a very I would say free manner in the sense आपका दिमाग सोच रहा है, और जब आपका दिमाग सोचता है ना, तो खुद ब खुद your tongue starts speaking. Speak when you are asked to speak. Sometimes I have seen मतलब even experienced person, they are not able to speak. So हमें करना क्या है, एटलीस्ट हमें स्टार्ट करना है. मतलब इंटरव्यू ने पूछा and I got nervous, I got blank. No, you cannot go blank. Start speaking, at least start. The moment you start speaking, कुछ ना कुछ दिमाग में बात आती जाएगी, and go slowly, gather, collect information. मतलब वो ऑटोमेटिक प्रोसेस है, उसमें आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The moment you start it, it starts happening. वो धीरे धीरे चीजें फिर याद आती जाती हैं. बट ऐसा नहीं अच्छा अब तो मेरा एकदम से आई एम नर्वस, आई कैन नॉट स्पीक एनीथिंग, एंड हो गया, सब हो गया, इतना दूर जो मेरा आना था घर से इंटरव्यू के लिए, इट्स ऑल गॉन. You cannot do that. And okay, fine, I'll face another interview. See, you can face another interview, but हो सकता है ये opportunity आपके लिए बड़ी अच्छी opportunity थी. So whenever you are asked to speak, speak. Don't go blank. So that's how you can look confident. And the third point is introduction. Introduction is very important. Very important. I have seen people are मतलब और थोड़ा introduction जो मतलब it does not have to be very traditional. When I say traditional introduction, it is like I have to talk about I have to say my name, and never start saying myself. It is always like my name is Nagma Parveen. And it's not necessary that you only talk about your educational qualification, you only talk about your family. You can talk about many things. I have heard people saying, I love playing cricket. So, but what is the role of playing cricket in your career, in your job profile? How it is relevant? Is playing cricket relevant to your job? I love listening to music. See, I don't say you cannot love listening to music, you cannot say I love playing cricket, but how does it help me? So you need to prepare yourself in a way that even if you talk about your soft skills, you talk about your strength and weaknesses, there has to be some relevance. है ना, वो आपके जॉब से जिस प्रोफाइल के लिए आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो, जिस कंपनी के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, कुछ तो उससे रिलेटेड होना चाहिए. So what I always ask my participants, ask my students, please work upon your introduction. मतलब एक इंसान क्या होता है, एक बहुत ही बड़ी लंबी चौड़ी कहानी होती है उसकी जिंदगी में. You cannot just say, this is my educational qualification, this is my hard skill, and this is my soft skill. You need to know what are you applying for. You need to know how relevant your hard skills. Hope you understand what I'm talking about. Hard skills are the skills which you are gaining in your college. So how relevant these hard skills and soft skills are for your job. So basically, whenever we go for interview, we need to do lots of preparation. Introduction has to be something which is kind of, oh, wow, great, I want to hire this person. You know, trust me, if your introduction is like, दमदार introduction है ना, तो आधा काम वहीं पे खत्म हो जाता है. Interviewer is very impressed. So you can start with how are you going to start your conversation? How are you going to introduce yourself? So it is like, my name is Nagma Parveen. I have master's degree in psychology. And let's say if I am applying for a job which is relevant to psychology, I'll talk about my skills. I'm a counselor, I'm a coach, I'm a behavioral trainer, and this is my passion. I love doing it. So since you all are engineering graduate, you need to talk about your skills. You love technology. This is something which you have done last year. This is something which you have been working upon. But you talk about your projects, you talk about the plants you have visited, the sites you have visited. So you talk about it. Your introduction just does not just end with your strength, your weakness, your food habits, your family background. And trust me, these are the least important things which interviewers are interested in. What they are interested in? They are interested in your skills. So please, and sometimes, you know, we don't even know our own skills. I have worked as a trainer for a long time, and since I have worked with corporate, I used to get these content from our head offices, from our head office, and I used to deliver it. I used to ask my participants to implement it, and I have done lots of coaching and counseling. But I never thought that I can make my own content. And this I realized 2 years ago. When I left my job, I started working upon my own. I started my own training organization, and I did not get any support here. There was no one to support me. So then I realized I can make my own content. I can work upon it. And actually, I started working upon many things. Last day, I explored about myself that I can be a good, I'm conducting, what you call, I'm conducting training in restaurant. So I never explored these things in myself. So you need to explore it. You need to know. And you need to talk about all these things during your interview while talking about yourself. So because you are more than what you think. So what I always suggest, make your introduction very impressive. Don't make it traditional. Make it something, try to add something unique in it. This is what the interviewer is looking for. And trust me, people ask me, people always, people tell me, the interviewer, they were asking, I don't know what they were asking about. They did not ask relevant question. What they asked, I didn't know. Because you are giving them opportunity to ask a question from different parts of life. From you are actually giving them opportunity to ask those questions. Why? Because you did not say anything unique in your introduction. That is why they did not find an opportunity to ask. The moment you talk about your passion, the moment you talk about your hobbies, those are like interesting hobbies. The moment you talk about those things, interviewer will start picking up the points from there. They will try to explore you, and it will make your life easier. It will help you actually, because you know what you talked about. I'm just giving you an example. I mentioned that I love coaching people. Okay, so what is interviewer going to ask questions from? They'll ask me, what was your last assignment? And for me, it would be very easy to answer, because then I will start talking about, okay, last assignment was, I was conducting a coaching in a restaurant. It's a unique kind of restaurant. It's a selfie point. So I start talking about many things. You must have something to talk about during interview. You cannot just go silent. So that is why I always ask my participants, I always ask my trainees, please prepare your introduction in a unique way. Somebody is raising hand. Okay, we will have question and answer session, inshallah. We'll discuss, we will give you an opportunity to talk about, to ask questions. So you can also talk about your hobbies and strength, but ensure it does not go out of the track. And it has to be relevant. Be yourself during interview. I don't know, I'm telling you, it actually happens to everyone. Not everyone, but it happens to many people. They become something else during interview. And I'm telling you, it happened to me once. It was long time ago, I think 12, 13 years ago, because I have been working as a trainer for last 12 years. And prior to that, I have worked with international BPOs. So I appeared in an interview, and their interviewer asked me to introduce, and I was so nervous that sometimes I find it weird when the way I started answering it, the way I started speaking that time, it was actually weird, because I was not myself. I think I was imitating someone or what, but it was not me. So be yourself during interview. Be loud and clear. Still maintain politeness and courtesy. See, when I say be loud and clear, I'm not asking you go and shout there. Oh, interviewer, my name is Nagma Parveen. I'm waiting for last 2 hours here. You did not even ask me for a cup of tea. Okay, so this should not be my approach. So you have to be loud and clear. I have seen people mumbling. They don't even utter the words properly. So you need to be loud but clear, and you need to maintain the politeness, the courtesy there. And again, I have to mention it here. Don't go very fast. Pause wherever it is required. There is nothing bad in it. Pause का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि आपको नहीं आता है. Pause का मतलब ये होता है you are taking time. मतलब अभी भी अगर मैं when I start taking sessions, I'm like ठीक है, धीरे 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 धीरे, वो 2-3 मिनट लगता है, है ना। एक सिंपल सी चीज मैं आपको बताती हूँ, जब हम अपनी कार स्टार्ट करते हैं तो वो कैसे आवाज आती है, घुर आती है ना आवाज। हाँ, वो लगता है अरे इट्स लाइक क्रैंकिंग, स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा है इंजन, है ना। बट इट टेक्स टाइम, उसको भी टाइम की जरूरत होती है। सो हम भी मशीन ही है एक तरह के, हमें भी थोड़ा सा वार्म अप की जरूरत पड़ती है ना। आपने देखा है ना खिलाड़ियों को, क्रिकेट मैच शुरू होने से पहले वार्म अप सेशन होता है, तो बहुत सारी हमें होता है वो जरूरत, वो रिदम में आने के लिए वी नीड सम टाइम। सो either you can start with a pause or you pause for some time, it does not mean you don't know। ठीक है, वो आपका, वो हम यू इंसान है और हमारे काम करने का वे है, प्रोसेस है, हमारा बॉडी वैसे ही रिस्पॉन्ड करता है। ठीक है, वो माइंड और हार्ट का जो कनेक्शन होता है तो वो वैसे ही होता है ना। हार्ट बीट जो तेज हुआ था, वो माइंड, वो क्या होता है, बॉडी धीरे से, एक हार्मोन तो आ गया बॉडी में, स्प्लिट हो गया और वो हार्ट तेजी से धड़ करने लगा, सो फिर दूसरा हार्मोन उसको कंट्रोल करेगा, माइंड उसको कंट्रोल करेगा। दैट्स अ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग। सो यू टेक पॉज, but what I'm just telling you, do not use fillers। अच्छा, like don't use these fillers, मतलब ये एक अलग लेवल की फिर बात है। as I said that interview preparation is 5 days module, तो उसमें हम बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं, फुल डे में बहुत सारी चीजें हम करते हैं। we do lots of preparation, we do lots of role plays, बट बेसिक चीजें मैं आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ। टेक पॉज, आराम से बात करेंगे, गो स्लो। ठीक है, गाना नहीं गाना है, बट गो स्लो। राइट डाउन योर इंट्रोडक्शन बिफोर यू गो फॉर इंटरव्यू एंड प्रैक्टिस इट। है ना, कैसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे बताया मैंने आपको। फ्रेंड्स के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, फैमिली के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, अकेले भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, जो बेस्ट आपको जज करने वाला पर्सन है ना, जिसके साथ आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, जो आपको सही चीजें सिखाएगा, दैट इज यू। तो अपने साथ जरूर प्रैक्टिस करना, किसी के साथ करो प्रैक्टिस, ना करो, बट प्रैक्टिस विथ योरसेल्फ। नाउ नॉलेज, मतलब कई बार मैंने सुना है, आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड, it's a very normal question, what do you know about this organization, and we are blank। हमें तो पता ही नहीं है, हमने तो अपनी रिसर्च की ही नहीं थी। I did not try to find out anything। So my suggestion is always research about the organization you are going to get interviewed for। That will help you a lot। वो बोलते हैं ना इम्प्रेशन, फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन, वो एक बड़ा अच्छा इम्प्रेशन आपका बनाएगा इंटरव्यू पे। ओके अच्छा, बंदे में बात है, उसने कुछ तो होमवर्क किया है ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बस इंटरव्यू में आके बैठ गया है। So please, please, please research about the organization and research about the kind of job profile you are applying for। मैंने कई बार देखा है, लेट्स से कोई कंप्यूटर साइंस से है ना, और चूंकि अब मान लो कंप्यूटर साइंस से ग्रेजुएशन जो आपका कोर्स है वो तो आपने कर लिया, लेकिन कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि जो आपका फेवरेट फील्ड था, जो आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट था, आपको उसी में जॉब मिल जाएगी, है ना। I was looking for my own organization, I was looking for a person who can actually make animations for me। Okay, so I knew 2-3 students from engineering college here, so I just called them and I say, you are from computer science, right? Can you work for me? Can you make animations for me? And they were like, no। तब मुझे समझ में आया, अच्छा कंप्यूटर साइंस पढ़ने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि उनको सब कुछ आता है, मतलब कंप्यूटर साइंस का ये मतलब है सब कुछ पढ़ा दिया गया है, थोड़ा थोड़ा सब कुछ, बट they will explore all these things during their tenure in their organization। ठीक है, बिकॉज जो आईटी फील्ड की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो इन सब चीजों से डील करती है, they have their own applications, they have their own software, so you people know this better than me। so वहां पे फिर they train them, they give them some projects, they work under someone and they learn all these things, they spend some time there, and that's how it works। so अब लेकिन मान लो आप कोई ऐसी जॉब प्रोफाइल जो है जिसके लिए आप अप्लाई करने जा रहे हो, and you don't know anything about the job profile. So अभी वहां पे क्या हो जाएगा, वहां पे तो इंटरव्यूअर को लगेगा दिस कैंडिडेट इज नॉट अ सूटेबल कैंडिडेट, ठीक है। लेकिन थोड़ा सा अगर आप उस पर रिसर्च कर लो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ जॉब प्रोफाइल इट इज। और अभी तो क्या है, हम तो ज्ञान के भंडार के साथ घूमते हैं ना। देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गो टू लाइब्रेरी एंड इट टुक मी 1 hour टू रीच देयर। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ईयर 2002 2003. But now I don't have to go anywhere. I have Google, I have Wikipedia, I have so many things in my hand. And just in a click, I can get all the information. So this is very important for you. Now, third most important thing, match your hard and soft skills with the job you are applying for. Now, how are you going to match it? हार्ड स्किल्स तो बोलोगे अरे चलो फिर भी मैच कर लूं, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स कैसे मैच करेंगे? सो सी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी आप मैच कर सकते हो। लेट्स से आपका काम ऐसा है जिसमें आपको नाइट शिफ्ट भी होगी, आईटीज में होते हैं नाइट शिफ्ट होते हैं। सो यहाँ पे कौन सा सॉफ्ट स्किल्स आपका वर्क करेगा? यस, योर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी। इफ यू आर वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल, it means you can be flexible with the night and day shift. You can switch very quickly, you can adapt the culture very quickly. I'm a person, आप कहीं ऐसे जा रहे हो, आप जा रहे हो let's say प्लांट में जा रहे हो आप। सो प्लांट के लिए आपकी कौन सी बात जो है वहां पे कौन सा सॉफ्ट स्किल्स वर्क करेगा? I can work in a team. I can work under pressure. I'm a very punctual person. So plant में punctuality बहुत important है, क्योंकि let's say अगर जहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ बनती हैं, तो I have visited those plants and what I have seen, वो एकदम ऐसे assembly line जो है उसपे parts जो है आगे बढ़ रहे थे, और यहाँ से आगे बढ़ा, यहाँ से आगे बढ़ा, इसने लगाया कुछ, आगे वाले ने लगाया कुछ, आगे वाले ने लगाया कुछ, and they know their work they know their work, they do their work very quickly, and they work in a team. That's how a car gets assembled. है ना, देखा है कभी कार का उल्टा सीधा शेप, व्हील कहीं और पे लगा हुआ है या फिर उसका जो है बॉनेट कहीं और लगा हुआ है? No, they all get assembled in a plant. So let's say if you are getting interviewed for a plant, you need to tell them you work in a team, you are very punctual. 3 सेकंड का टाइम मिला और 3 सेकंड में मैंने वो चीज असेंबल जो मेरा काम था वो कर दिया. So that's how you will match your hard skills with your soft skills. And you need to tell it to the interviewer. I'm telling you, मुझे ना बच्चे बोलते हैं अरे मेरा तो सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ, उसका सिलेक्शन हो गया. Most of the time people get rejected because of their not lack of hard skills, lack of soft skills. क्योंकि इंटरव्यूअर, whenever interviewer are there in the campus, they know अच्छा यहाँ तो यही पढ़ाई होती है, ये तो सबको इतना बेसिक तो पता होगा. दूसरी चीज है कॉलेज का रेपुटेशन. दे नो कॉलेज को है ना बच्चों को ऐसे ही पास नहीं करा देते. कॉलेज का भी रेपुटेशन होता है ना, नहीं मतलब दे आर वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट देयर एग्जाम्स. वो एग्जाम में आप बैठोगे तभी पास होगे, ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं से भी किधर से भी पास हो जाओगे. सो वो इंटरव्यूअर को ऑलरेडी पता होता है ना. द प्रॉब्लम इज विद द सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. हम बोलते हैं ना हार्ड स्किल्स कैन बी अर्नड इजीली. कॉलेज जाते हैं 3 साल की पढ़ाई की 4 साल की पढ़ाई करते हैं, हमें क्या होता है इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री मिल जाता है. बट सॉफ्ट स्किल्स इज समथिंग व्हिच कैन बी अर्नड. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अर्न सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. कभी कभी लोग जिंदगी के 20-20 साल बिता देते हैं, मतलब लोग अपने 50s और 60s में सॉफ्ट स्किल्स नहीं सीख पाते हैं. सो दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच यू नीड टू वर्क अपॉन. यू नीड टू नो, बिकॉज सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हैज टू बी प्रैक्टिस्ड. आप एक दिन में पंक्चुअल नहीं बन जाओगे, आप एक दिन में बढ़िया टीम मैनेजमेंट करने वाले नहीं बन जाओगे, आप एक दिन में कर्टियस नहीं बन जाओगे. यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस इट एवरी डे. एंड इंटरव्यूअर, दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट. क्योंकि उनका तो काम ही होता है ना, एचआर का तो काम ही होता है ना. दे नो योर साइकोलॉजी, दे नो व्हाट यू आर प्रेटेंडिंग टू बी. अगर हम प्रेटेंड भी करते हैं ना, सो दे नो इट. सो व्हाट आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, मैं कोई डरा नहीं रही हूँ आपको, मैं बस बच्चों बातें बता रही हूँ ताकि आपको बड़ी आसानी हो जाए अपने इंटरव्यूज निकालने में. यू वोंट फेस एनी डिफिकल्टी. ये जो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स और हार्ड स्किल्स जो भी है, वो आप अपने जॉब के हिसाब से बताओ, है ना. You match it what I'm applying for. You match your hard skills and soft skills with it. Hard skills you can match very easily, soft skills you need to think about. So my suggestion is start preparing upon it, start preparing your introduction. So now moving to the next point, very important, communication skills. So communication is something, again, it takes time. It's a separate subject. I have been a communication trainer for a long time. I have been a communication coach. मतलब ट्रेनिंग तो क्लासरूम ट्रेनिंग देती थी, अब तो बहुत सारे लोग पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं. एंड रेस्टोरेंट में, रिटेल सेक्टर में, मतलब बहुत सारी जगह पे, हर जगह पे ही जरूरत है कम्युनिकेशन. वेयर वी डोंट नीड कम्युनिकेशन, नेम अ प्लेस वेयर वी डोंट नीड कम्युनिकेशन skills. Everywhere, matlab even at home. I'm dealing with my little one. I have 4 years, I have a 4 years daughter at home, and she wants me, she is very demanding, she wants me to be a great communicator. She comes to me and she wants me to understand her, she wants me to explain it to her. So I think I have become a better communicator when I became a mom. So mothers are, I think, very good communicator. So I'm talking about the elements of communication. See, I think Adil, they are in which year? When are they going?
Yes, ma'am. All the students are from final year, second year, third year. It's nothing but
Okay.
the combination of all students and different branches, mechanical, civil, electrical, computer, all branches is there.
Mashallah, mashallah. So
Yes.
so see, my good wishes to you. First year वाले अगर अभी आए हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है. They will have enough time to practice. Final year वाले, second year, even second year will have enough time. But final year, yes, you can also practice. थोड़ा सा कम टाइम है, but obviously बहुत सारी चीजें अभी तक आप लोगों ने सीखी होगी. Some basic points I'm discussing with you. These are not just the basic points. These are the most important points of communication. मतलब आप मैं जो 4 दिन 5 दिन communication sessions लेती हो ना, उसका निचोड़ आपको बता देती हूँ, ठीक है. And inshallah, if we will have time, we will definitely discuss more about it. So listen to the interviewer. हम बहुत बड़ी गलती करते हैं यहाँ पे. हम पता है सिर्फ अपनी बात बताते हैं इंटरव्यूअर को, उसका क्वेश्चंस नहीं समझते. So I have seen people making this mistake. इंटरव्यूअर ने पूछा कुछ और था और हमने बताया कुछ और, ठीक है. तो ये होता क्या है, ये प्रॉब्लम है लिसनिंग स्किल्स का. दूसरी चीज है, एक्चुअली वी हैव नॉट बीन ट्रेन्ड इन दैट वे. वी हैव कम्युनिकेशन की जब हम बात करते हैं, so what I have seen, people know how to construct sentences. People know how to use correct tense, but people don't know modulation and intonation. That plays a very important role. So, but ठीक है, अभी मैं modulation, intonation आपको नहीं बता सकती हूँ सारी चीजें, but इसके लिए अभी हमको करना क्या पड़ेगा? Listen to your interviewer. I'm just giving you an example of voice modulation. I'm asking you a question, just think of it. Okay, आप अपने मन में जवाब रखना, और बाद में जब हम क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन करेंगे, you can discuss it with me. So I'm asking you a question. I'm actually asking you 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions. My question number 1 is, what is your name? Question number 2, what is your name? And question number 3. Okay, I'm just asking you 3 questions right now. Now, question number 3. What is your name? Now, guys, you will reply me these are only one question. They are same questions. I did not ask you 3 questions, but indeed I asked you 3 questions, 3 different questions. Now let me answer you this. When I asked you what, I emphasized upon what is your name? It means I'm interested to know what is your name. So if I have to answer that person, I will answer, my name is Nagma Parveen. Do you understand? And my second question is, what is your name? I know your friend's name. It means I know someone sitting behind you is Shiba or Afzal, but what is your name? So my answer should be, my name is Nagma Parveen. And my third question was, what is your name? I know you are coming from Patna, but what is your name? So my name is Nagma Parveen. So guys, ये एक अलग लेवल की बात है. Inshallah, we will discuss more about it whenever we get time. But this is modulation, voice modulation and intonation. So these things are very important. But I'm just telling you the basics of communication, what you need to be focused upon. So listen to the interviewer, what interviewer is trying to ask you. When you listen to that person, you will be able to answer in a more confident way, in a more specific way. I have heard people replying one simple question in a very difficult way. And I'm like, I did not ask you this. Please talk to the point. So you need to talk to the point. Speak when you are asked to speak. Again, I'm repeating it. Whenever you are asked to speak, speak. Don't go silent. Even if you're feeling nervous. I'm like, I cannot speak. But speak, try. Do not go too fast. It means maintain your rate of speech. Maintain right body language. Your body speaks more than your words. Understand? Only you speak through your words only 7%. And 93% is your body. So use your movements. You cannot just sit like this. Close body language. है ना, हमने हाथ अपना बंद कर लिया and I'm talking. You cannot talk like this. Do we talk like this? We do not. ना घर पे हम ऐसे बात करते हैं. नहीं बात करते ऐसे दोस्तों के साथ ऐसे बात करते हैं नहीं बात करते. I have seen people talking with a static eyes. मतलब static eyes like बस लगातार वो ऐसे देख. Take a pause. Plug जो है वो मतलब eyelids जो आपका है उसको झपक लो, कोई issue नहीं है. Nobody is going to kill you for that. You will feel comfortable. है ना, थोड़ा हाथ यूज कर लिया. हाथ बड़ी अच्छी चीज है अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. सो थोड़ा बॉडी कभी लीन करके कभी ऐसे करके, मतलब आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि वो हर टाइम बॉडी को जो है मूव ही करना है. इट हैज टू बी इन अ वेरी बैलेंस्ड वे. Be loud and clear. It's very important. Sometimes interviewer, they don't even know what you talked about, what you just spoke about. Because आपने ना, मुझे तो बस जल्दी से जवाब दे देना था, है ना, मैंने तो बोल दिया, उसको पता भी नहीं चला आपने बोला क्या. So take time, be loud and clear, and pause. Very important. It's a part of communication. And trust me, when I say it's a part of communication, it's a what do you say? मतलब बोलते हैं ना, बहुत important part of communication. Talk to the point. उसको बात को गोल गोल घुमाना नहीं. Talk to the point. This is something which I was asked and I replied. So these are the two things which I have worked upon. When the interviewer is asking you, have you done any project? Have you gone anywhere for your project or anything like what was the last assignment you had? So just talk about the assignment. Nahi kiya, theek hai, I did not do. Honesty is always appreciated. नहीं बोलेंगे नहीं किया है but no yes actually मतलब I was asked to go there but when I went there they did not allow me to do this and the HR was not good and they were not supportive. Please don't make stories there. People, and trust me, do not criticize anyone during your interview. See, we are not superhuman. I always talk about myself. At home, I tell this clearly to the people. See, I'm not a superwoman. I cannot do everything. I cannot do everything. And that's how you are during an interview. It does not mean that if you are in an interview and you have done your graduation in computer science, it does not mean you know everything. You know this entire world of computer science. Does not mean that. An interviewer knows it, and actually they are going to groom you. They are going to train you. So don't make stories there. Be prepared. And trust me, I always focus on this. I always emphasize on this. Be prepared. Preparation makes you confident. Preparation actually helps in improving your communication skills. And I'm sure whenever you have prepared for something, है ना, होता है ना, दोस्तों की बर्थडे पार्टी है तो हम कितना प्रिपरेशन करके जाते हैं. पहले से गिफ्ट खरीदना है, पॉकेट मनी ले लेना है, गिफ्ट खरीदना है, अच्छा ये प्लान करना है, तो वो प्लान करना है. सो वहां पे जाके वी एक्चुअली एंजॉय, है ना, ये ड्रेस पहन के जाना है, मुझे वो ड्रेस पहन के जाना है. सो यू डू प्रिपरेशन एंड यू एंजॉय. व्हाई यू आर एंजॉयिंग देयर? अगर बताओ आप गिफ्ट लेके नहीं गए, it was a birthday party of your best friend and you did not carry a gift with you, will you feel comfortable there? You won't, because you just forgot to buy a gift, or what you wanted to buy you could not buy that gift. Still you will not feel comfortable. वो दिमाग में एक बात चलती रही, यार ये वो ले लेते, यार ये तो बहुत सारे लोग देंगे. So I'm just telling you how important this preparation is. Preparation is very important. Make good eye-to-eye contact. Okay, while I was writing this sentence, I used good here. See why I used good here? Good eye-to-eye contact means घूरना नहीं है इंटरव्यूअर को, ठीक है. आई टू आई कॉन्टेक्ट बनाना है, पलक झपकना है, ठीक है, आराम से बात करनी है. So that's how you make a good eye-to-eye contact. Use your facial expressions and hands to express yourself. Smile, very important. And ऐसा नहीं है कि एकदम जबरदस्ती का स्माइल निकालना है. It has to be normal, a genuine एक facial expression है वो, ठीक है. So it's a very normal thing. Normal जो एक हम नहीं मिलते हैं किसी से तो एक genuine सी स्माइल आ जाती है. I'm just talking about that kind of a smile. I'm not talking about अच्छा एकदम दांत जो है your teeth should be shown. नहीं, वो तो बिल्कुल दिखना चाहिए आज ब्रश किया है कि नहीं. Not in that way. It has to be very normal and genuine. And be focused. Normally what I have seen, रूम में एसी भी लगा होता है इंटरव्यू रूम में बहुत सारी चीजें भी रखी होती है, एचआर के बहुत सारे सामान रखे होते हैं. So it does not, you don't just look around. ठीक है, you don't look around, you be focused. ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीजें आपको डाइवर्ट करने के लिए होंगी वहां पे, ठीक है. हो सकता है इंटरव्यूअर आपको चेक भी करता हो कि आप कितनी जल्दी डाइवर्ट हो जाते हैं. So still you need to maintain your focus there. So now moving to another section, manners. हमें बहुत सारे, अरे ये सब क्या है, ये सब पता नहीं इंटरव्यू में इन सब चीजों का क्या काम है. ट्रस्ट मी, these things are very important. Starting from the point where you are interacting with the receptionist. ठीक है? So show your best behavior. It matters a lot. Be courteous. Courteous कैसे है? थोड़े चीजें तो प्रिपरेशन के साथ जानी है. मैंने देखा है बच्चों को, अच्छा पेन दे दीजिए ना, मैं ये नहीं लेके आया, वो नहीं लेके आया. तो वही है, प्रिपरेशन रहेगा तो बहुत सारी चीजें खुद ब खुद होती जाएंगी. सो वो कर्टसी, थैंक यू, सॉरी, मे आई कम इन, जो हमने बेसिक्स, अगेन आई एम आस्किंग यू टू गो बैक टू द बेसिक्स. सो वो बेसिक्स पे हम वापस जाएंगे और ये चीजें जो है मेंटेन करेंगे हम अपने मैनर्स को. At no point of time be aggressive or sound rude even you wait for long time. I have seen this very common habit. इतने टाइम से मैंने पूरे दिन वेट किया ये बस एक राउंड के लिए. ट्रस्ट मी, वो आपका पेशेंस भी चेक कर रहे थे. हो सकता है वो जॉब प्रोफाइल ऐसी है जहां पे पेशेंस इज रिक्वायर्ड. So it can be anything. I'm not just asking you, अच्छा interviewer was checking your patience, और मतलब उसको बहुत सारी चीजें बस एकदम सब चीज सही ही है. I'm not telling you, but actually when I use the term seeker, है ना, you are a job seeker and they are the job giver. ठीक है? So होता है ना, जब हम सीकर हैं तो हमको उस तरह का एटीट्यूड मेंटेन करना है. So never be aggressive. और वो मैंने बहुत सारे बच्चों को देखा है ड्यूरिंग इंटरव्यू, दे मेंशन इट, आई वेटेड फॉर 2 hours when interviewer gave them opportunity to speak. So I waited for 2 hours. I did not even have a cup of tea here. Please do not mention these things. You are, by mentioning these things, you are actually attracting troubles. So the next point, avoid negative words. I have often seen, like I mentioned before, I have often seen people criticizing their previous organization, criticizing their college. Please do not do that. Okay, it gives a very bad impression. Don't sound arrogant at any point of time. No, I was the best student in my class. So how can you reject me? See, I'm telling you, hard skills is something which you can learn easily. Soft skills are something which will take time. So what interviewers are looking for? They are hiring a person from computer science and they are going to teach them anything, but something related to their own application. They want them to work as an a person who can develop the software. So they have their own ways. They know how to give you knowledge about their own software. They know how to give you knowledge about their own applications. But it is actually very difficult for them to train you upon soft skills. Do you know what is the probation period? When you join any organization, they actually, as a fresher, because there are many and most of the organizations, they actually watch you for 6 months and then they confirm their employability. So whatever you have mentioned during interview, they note it down, they note down everything. And sometimes they come back to you, they ask you, is this what you have mentioned during your interview? So please behave well and actually develop all these habits in you. Don't criticize your college or university. Use power words like sorry, thank you, excuse me, wonderful, amazing, I'm delighted. They may ask you, how was the campus? Did you like our campus? So one of my trainees, he actually got selected in Infosys Bangalore. So it has a beautiful I would say campus. Thousands of cycles are just kept there. If you have to go from one office to another, you have to use those cycles. They have big restaurants. They have big 3-4 restaurants. I have been to Infosys campus, and it's a beautiful, beautiful campus. So you can appreciate them. If they ask, did you like the campus? Yes, it's beautiful. I loved your restaurant. But you need to be very balanced when you're talking about it. It's not just you start talking about restaurant only. You have to be very balanced. And this is something which you need to practice. So moving forward, negotiation. है ना, दिमाग में बात आएगी, अरे एज ए फ्रेशर क्या मैं नेगोशिएट कर सकती हूँ? So my reply is yes, you can negotiate as a fresher. But you need to know where you need to draw a line. You cannot be, what do you say? नहीं नहीं मुझे तो यही चाहिए. I cannot work without this. But if something, मतलब आपको लगता है कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं which can be negotiated, you can negotiate. There's no problem. Sometimes क्या होता है, because if you go for a package and which is not suitable for you, which is not going to fulfill all your I'm not using the word desire here, but your basic needs. Because as a fresher, what we focus upon, अच्छा एक experience तो हो जाए इतने मतलब यहाँ job का, और मेरी basic जरूरतें जो भी है वो पूरी हो जाए. So you can always discuss it. You can even negotiate salary. There is no issue with that. So negotiation can be done, and I think you must do it, such things, because that show your skills. आज आप interviewer से अगर थोड़ा negotiate कर रहे हैं, so later on you may get some position in the organization. Maybe you will be put in marketing department or sales department. So they are actually looking for all these skills. So you can negotiate. It's not a bad thing. I'm telling you, trust me. So these are the 7 things which I talked about. Let me go back and show it to you. Your appearance, very important. Confidence, introduction, knowledge, communication, manners, and negotiation. So these are actually the basic 7 elements of interview, which you need to get prepared upon. And apart from this, if you need any help, I'll give you my number, my contact number. You people can contact me. And interview questions. So basically, since this is our first interaction, I want you to get prepared upon introduction. So Adil bhai, you can share their introduction with me if it is feasible.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Especially final year students.
Okay, ma'am.
You have end with the session?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay. So thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful session. Now I would like to invite the participants to please question. If you have any question, please raise your questions. We can also allow participants, if you raise your hand, we will allow you to speak. So if you have any question, please either type your question in the chat box or raise your hands. We will read it out.
Student, if you have any doubt, you can also raise your hand and also drop a message in chat box. Then after the ma'am will proceed for their answer and you get the output. Okay.
Okay, so is there no question? So thank you once again, everyone. Now I would like to invite Adil sir for the vote of thanks, so that, and after that we will end the session. And before that, I would share a feedback form. Please share your feedback. I will share a feedback form in the chat box, so everyone please share your feedback. Adil sir, please give a vote of thanks, and then we will end the session.
Ma'am, there is a number of questions in chat box. A lot of the students are asking regarding how to overcome nervousness while interview. Then other, please differentiate between hard and soft skills. Some students also ask these questions. So
Sure, sure.
yes, please ma'am, can you elaborate the answer to all those questions and their
I'm just
answer?
going through it. How to explain about weakness? Mohammed Saad. So Saad, weakness को कभी ऐसे explain नहीं करना है कि वो आपका weakness है. You have to explain it in a way that it should look like a positive thing. And अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी जो वीकनेस है उसको मैं पॉजिटिव चीज की जगह नहीं, मतलब एज ए पॉजिटिव थिंग नहीं एक्सप्लेन कर सकती हूँ, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, माय सजेशन इज हल्की फुल्की वीकनेस बता दें. I cannot, मतलब if you'll ask me, I'll say I cannot resist myself when I see ice cream. ठीक है, if you really have to talk about your weakness, if you really want to talk about your weakness. Okay, so I never suggest my trainees to talk weakness as a real weakness. Okay, so if let's say you are not punctual, so are you going to tell this to the interviewer that I'm not punctual? That will make a very bad impression. So you cannot even say I'm not punctual, I cannot be on time, because that's the demand. You have to be punctual when you start working as a professional. So I always suggest, do not talk about your weakness as a weakness. You always improve it, you work upon it. Yes, you can always work upon it, but talk about something which will not make a bad impression on someone, and you still talked about your weakness. Okay, let's say just like I mentioned, I cannot resist myself when I see ice cream. So you can say, I cannot resist myself when you see chocolate. I have heard many people saying, I trust people, that's my weakness. How can it be a weakness? Never use such things. It actually tells about your weakness. So never discuss all these things. You trust people, it's your positive point, it's your strength actually. Okay, so weakness अगर बताना ही है तो वैसे छोटी छोटी चीजें बताओ जो थोड़ा मजाहिया भी हो और इंटरव्यू अच्छा, oh you love ice cream, I also love ice cream, I love chocolates, I cannot resist myself when I see chocolate, I like gajar ka halwa. So you can talk about these things. Okay, I don't say, do not mention I'm workaholic, I work entire night, entire day, because nowadays we are looking for people who are like more kind of happy people. मतलब जो 24 घंटे काम करते हैं वो इतने happy नहीं होते. मतलब we are actually looking for work-life balance. You need to balance your professional and personal life. So, how overcome nervousness while interview? Okay, so first thing, practice, preparation. So you need to practice it. We make few questions. I'll share a few questions with you. Like prepare your introduction. ठीक है, एक अच्छा सा introduction prepare करें. As a fresher, we are not asking you to talk about this entire world. We do not expect so much from you. Okay? You need to know everything about technology. You need to know everything about mechanical engineering, or I want you to be a very sincere, punctual person. मतलब इतना 100% की requirement किसी को नहीं है, but वो genuineness की जरूरत है. What I'm looking for, that you have to be a genuine person. Okay, so why did I emphasize more upon this? Don't cook stories in front of interviewer, because they can easily catch you. So nervousness is something which will you can get over the nervousness, but that will take some time. You need to do some preparation. हाँ, थोड़ा इंटरव्यू रूम में गए हैं, अगर you are still feeling nervous, मतलब सब कुछ किया था लेकिन वो तो सब हेवाई हो गया, now what to do? तो वहां पे जाके थोड़ा सा पानी पी लो. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स हो जाओ, एंड देयर इज नो हार्म कि आप इंटरव्यूअर से बोलो कैन आई टेक 2 minutes. ठीक है, इंटरव्यूअर इज नॉट गोइंग टू किल यू. उसने भी बड़ा ही प्रिपरेशन किया आपको बुलाने में, 1 हफ्ते पहले से कॉल हो रही थी या फिर कैंपस में आने की तैयारी हो रही थी. मतलब दे हैव डन लॉट्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन. तो वो भी किसी अच्छे कैंडिडेट को लूज करना नहीं चाहते. ठीक है, सो और व्हाट यू कैन डू, बहुत तेजी से आवाज निकल रही, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि बस सब बोल दूं. तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं आप, जो है हाथ जो है अपना थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्का हल्का टैप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, वो उससे थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स होगा. इंटरव्यूअर की तरफ देखो, इंटरव्यूअर की तरफ देखने से भी आपको थोड़ा बेहतर फील होगा. धीरे धीरे, डरना नहीं है, डरना नहीं है. मतलब इंटरव्यूअर इज नॉट गोइंग टू किल यू एंड नीदर गोइंग टू रिजेक्ट यू इमीडिएटली. ठीक है, उसको भी पता है कि फ्रेशर्स में तो होता है थोड़ा सा नर्वसनेस. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस, थोड़ा सा प्रिपरेशन, वहां जाके पानी पी लिया, बहुत ज्यादा भी नर्वस है तो 2-3 मिनट का टाइम ले लिया, एंड इट्स लाइक ये ही लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं बची है दुनिया में. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मतलब वन ऑफ माय ट्रेनीज व्हाट ही डिड, ही स्टार्टेड फेसिंग इंटरव्यूज. उसने ऑलमोस्ट मतलब 20-25 इंटरव्यूज फेस किए हैं, because he was looking for good placement. So और उसका भी था, nervousness था. I'm telling you, I'm talking about a guy who could not even speak English well. मतलब when they came to my training center, I मतलब मैं क्या बताऊं, एक सही से word pronounce नहीं कर पाते थे बच्चे. And I have seen this person grooming like anything. मतलब आज जो उस बच्चे की, मैं उसी बच्चे की बात कर रही थी, he got placed in Infosys. So he was looking for a good placement और उसको मिल गया. ठीक है, तो इंटरव्यू में रिजेक्शन कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. ठीक है, एक्सेप्ट करना सीखें रिजेक्शन को. नर्वसनेस खुद ब खुद चला जाएगा. मतलब मुझे तो इंटरव्यू देते देते 10 साल 12 साल हो भी गए थे ना, तब भी था. जाऊं तो फिर मेरा हार्ट बीट तेज हो जाता था. So the first interview where I did not feel nervous, where I did not feel nervous was in Airtel. Wahan pe I was sitting like a queen. Now you ask me what you want to ask me, because I was prepared. I knew everything about my job profile, my training, and I know you don't know anything better than me about this field, about this profile, because I have been training people for a long time. So वो वक्त के साथ भी थोड़ा सा जाएगा, थोड़ा सा वर्क करने की जरूरत है. Any other question? Please differentiate between hard and soft skills. Okay, hard skills जो आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, ठीक है, आप लेट्स से मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हो या फिर आप कंप्यूटर साइंस पढ़ रहे हो, आप जो भी पढ़ रहे हो, आप इलेक्ट्रिकल में हो, सो वो जो आपकी पढ़ाई है ना, दैट इज योर हार्ड स्किल्स. And soft skills is something, your courtesy, your behavior, your manners, your punctuality, the way you handle any situation, your team management work, everything related to life. जिंदगी चलाने के लिए जितनी भी चीजों की जरूरत होती है ना, यही चीजें तो घर में भी हम करते हैं ना. कम्युनिकेट करते हैं हम बड़ों की इज्जत करते हैं. ठीक है, अपना बिहेवियर, सही बिहेवियर मेंटेन करते हैं, सुबह टाइम पे उठते हैं. So these are all soft skills. Next question is, can we get your number, ma'am? I don't mind. Okay, please share your or take interview in college. Inshallah, I'll try. Right, any other question?
Any other question? Anyone? Arun sir, can you confirm? Is there any other question?
Okay. If there is no question, so we're going to wind up the session right now. Sir.
We would do wind up the session after the vote of thanks. And I have shared the feedback form. Please ask everyone to share their feedback. Okay.
So we can end this session now.
After Adil sir, vote of thanks. Adil sir.
Okay. Sure, sir. First of all, but I like to say some about ma'am. I'm very thankful to all, first of all, the participants to join the sessions and to take a benefit from side of Nagma Parveen ma'am. They share their experience regarding the fundamentals. They share the experience they brought regarding jobs and all. देखिए मैम का जो experience है for the interview and how to talk with the peoples. Okay, so ये आप लोगों के लिए बहुत beneficial है. So मैं मैम का बहुत ज़्यादा बोलना चाहिए कि I'm bottom of my heart I'll thank for this kind of opportunity for all my students. I'm not tell about my college students. This is my all students. Okay, so and the next I'm very thankful to Team AMP to provide this platform for our college. Inshallah more and more sessions by the side of the Association of Muslim Professionals to be arranged this kind of activity, and on the behalf of management of Jamia Muhammadiyah Education Society, Maulana Mukhtar Ahmad Nadeem Technical Campus, Afaq Academy, Sharia Law College, Tibbiya College, all from the side of the behalf of the management. I'll thanks to all team AMP and our trainer to be guide our students in case of futures. And thank you all.